If you've already booked a hotel on Booking.com and need to cancel your reservation, the process is quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a reservation on Booking.com step by step. Whether your travel plans have changed or you no longer need the booking, this guide will help you cancel it easily. First, open the Booking.com website or mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Bookings or My Trips section where all your reservations are listed. Find the booking you want to cancel and click on it to view the details. On the reservation page, look for the Cancel Booking option. Click on it to start the cancellation process. Booking.com will then show you the cancellation policy for your reservation, including whether you are eligible for a full refund, partial refund, or no refund. Before confirming, carefully read the cancellation terms. Some bookings offer free cancellation if cancelled before a certain date, while others may charge a fee. It's important to understand these details so you know exactly what to expect. If everything looks fine, proceed by clicking the Cancel button and confirm your cancellation. Once completed, your booking will be cancelled, and you'll receive a confirmation email with the cancellation details. If your booking is eligible for a refund, the amount will be processed according to the hotel's policy and your payment method. The refund timeline may vary depending on your bank or payment provider. In this tutorial, we learned how to cancel a reservation on Booking.com by accessing the Booking section, selecting the reservation, reviewing the cancellation policy, and confirming the cancellation. This helps you manage your travel plans easily and avoid unnecessary charges. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.